Big news is unfolding in Manila. Ukraine, a nation currently fighting a brutal war against Russia, is reaching out to the Philippines with a bold proposal: the co-production of drone systems that could play a decisive role in maritime patrols and interdiction missions, especially in the West Philippine Sea. Could this partnership be a turning point for the Philippines' defense posture? Let's break it down. The announcement came from Ukraine's ambassador to the Philippines, Yulia Fediv, during a special forum on the Ukraine-Philippines landscape, organized by the Chamber of Commerce of the Philippines Islands. She revealed that a high-level Ukrainian delegation is expected to arrive in Manila this coming October to sign a Memorandum of Understanding, or MOU, that includes defense cooperation. According to Ambassador Fediv, a draft of the MOU is already with the Philippine Department of National Defense, awaiting approval. Once signed, this agreement will serve as the legal framework for joint efforts in drone co-production. But why Ukraine? Over the past 2 years, Ukraine has gained unmatched expertise in drone warfare. From small but deadly FPV kamikaze drones to long-range reconnaissance and strike platforms, Ukraine has been forced to innovate under fire. These drones have played a key role in countering Russian forces, leveling the battlefield against a much larger adversary. This makes Ukraine an ideal partner for the Philippines, which faces its own David versus Goliath struggle in the West Philippine Sea. By tapping into Ukraine's hard-earned drone expertise, Manila stands to gain crucial know-how in design, development, and production of unmanned systems, perfectly aligned with the Philippines' self-reliant defense posture program, or SRDP. So what could this cooperation mean for the Philippines? First, maritime patrol drones. With vast waters to monitor, the Philippines needs eyes in the sky. Drones can patrol longer, cover more territory, and provide real-time intelligence to ground and naval forces. Second, interdiction and deterrence. FPV drones and loitering munitions could provide the armed forces with low-cost but highly lethal strike options. Imagine swarms of drones intercepting intruding vessels or providing overwatch for Philippine troops stationed in contested islands. Third, technological independence. Instead of relying solely on imports, co-production with Ukraine means the Philippines can gradually build its own drone industry. This not only strengthens defense capabilities, but also creates jobs, boosts local manufacturing, and future-proofs the military against supply chain disruptions. Observers also point out that this partnership could go far beyond drones. Ukraine's defense industry has developed advanced systems, including the Neptune cruise missile, the very weapon credited with sinking the Russian Navy's Black Sea flagship, the Moskva, in April 2022. If discussions expand, the Philippines could one day explore access to such missile technology, enhancing its deterrence posture in the West Philippine Sea. While nothing is confirmed, the signing of an MOU could be the first step toward broader defense cooperation. Both Ukraine and the Philippines face strikingly similar challenges: smaller nations defending their sovereignty against much larger powers. Ukraine's war has shown the importance of technology, innovation, and international cooperation. For the Philippines, these lessons are not theoretical, they're urgently relevant. Whether it's drones, missiles, or defense industry partnerships, both nations know the value of resilience and adaptability. So as Manila and Kiev move closer to signing this historic defense cooperation deal, the stakes couldn't be higher. Drones built with Ukrainian expertise and Philippine participation could soon be patrolling the skies over the West Philippine Sea. Will this partnership mark the dawn of a new era for the Philippine defense industry? And could it help Manila finally gain the edge it needs in protecting its maritime territory? Only time will tell, but one thing's for sure: the world is watching. What do you think about the Ukraine-Philippines drone deal? Could it change the game in the West Philippine Sea? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget, to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on Philippine modernization. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.